I was just testing this here. I'm using a T4X TCS decoder. Has two functions. Works pretty well with these. So we just were testing out the motive function, did a little programming on it. We adapted it to splice wires and adapted it to the same board. Instead of using a 8-pin jumper, but it's okay. I just wanted to test it out, and it's definitely working. Let's go here. Programmed it to 619, so I took the throttle here a little bit. Can't go too fast, but we're in slow motion, baby. And then we got complete control again. Originally, the decoder just got locked in at a speed and kept going, but now we're good here. Yep, very good. So I'm gonna do a little bit more programming and put it back together and go to the next step. All right, so we got this thing. Put it back together, cleaned it up. Beautiful. Okay. It's not sound, so you're not going to get no action there. Let's see. That's already. It's on address 619. That's what I got on it. Okay. Headlight. Beautiful. New headlight. And forward. Creeping along. Beautiful. And we're going to stop it. Reverse. Nice and slow. And also got it back to where the headlight is off in reverse. Nice smooth operation. Beautiful. Thank you, TCS. I use a TCS. See if I can find it. Stand by. T4X. TCS T4X. Two function. You can have a couple function lights. I have another one with a beacon light and whatnot, or a beacon light and a cab light installed. But this one we're just going to use the front headlight, and that's it. That's pretty good, right? I think so. All right. See y'all later.